Hi, I'm Dr. Bell. I'm an interventional pain management specialist. Pain and Rehabilitation has been here since 2006, providing comprehensive pain management from the top of the head to the foot. However, 90% of people who are receiving care are pain related to spine. There are about 5 main reasons of people come to see us for pain, and I found out those are all spine-related pain. The number one most common is disc-related pain. The disc-related pain is divided in two. First, pain that stays in the disc. The pain is just around the disc, in the waist or in the neck, but does not travel to the limbs. There is another disc pain where the disc swell or the disc bulging, and when it gets out of its place, it pushes the nerve, and that creates nerve pain. It can be in any place of the spine. The most common is the lower part of the spine or the lower part of the neck, and this pain causes pain that travels most likely below the knee. When you have disc-related pain, which is the disc right here, you would need to have epidural steroid injections, and that will be just to start to get you by. When the back pain related to disc impinging your nerve, and that nerve is irritated, what we need to provide is to trim the disc that is bulging, or getting some epidural steroid injection at the side of the bulging of the disc or the irritating nerves.
I have done hair all of my life, standing on my feet, and it got to a place where I could not work in a day without having terrible back pain. When I came to Dr. Bell, I started getting injections. It was immediate. After I had the injection, I went home, rested for the rest of the day, got up the next day, and it was like I was new again.
The second type of pain is pain related to arthritis. When we grow, when we develop, we have arthritis, especially for person above 30 years. The pain most likely stay above your thigh, but it's really causing your back to be stiff, causing your back to be tight, and not allow you to walk far. When you have arthritis of the spine that created pain, then what you need would be to have put to sleep those small nerves that created the pain, and that will last about 1 to 3 years, and some patients even last 9 years with a relief of pain until the nerves grows back.
I've had pain for most of my life. When I was a teenager, I was in several car accidents. After a while, you just think that this is maybe normal. This is the way I'm going to be. My doctor referred me here. We discussed my medical condition, and he suggested an ablation. And afterwards, I could feel the difference almost by the time I left this facility. My pain is almost gone. I can do a lot more things. I can hold my grandchildren longer. It's just wonderful.
The third one is pain related to tightness of the spine. In medical term, we call it lumbar stenosis or cervical stenosis, depend on the location, but the spine is tight. There's a big nerve inside the spine that should flow, but now when there is tightness, the bone, the arthritis get around that nerve, the ligament, that nerve become tight, squeezed, and what happens? When you walk, you cannot go far. What we can provide is to do a laminotomy, which is using the tools to clean up those spurs one at a time to allow the nerve to have room.
Well, it started over time that I found that I couldn't walk very far. Walking after a while would cause pain. I found out that I had spinal stenosis. The stenosis interfered with just general activities of daily living. I had to get a shower chair in order to be able to take a shower, being able to stand up to brush my teeth, go about fixing breakfast, getting dressed, created pain. Then after the procedure, the pain wasn't there at all, and it has not returned.
Fourth one is pain related to a failed back surgery. Some people had surgery and unfortunately still having pain. You have scar tissue, you have metal, you have stiffness, and over time it can create a lot of pain. We can provide spinal stimulator. The spinal stimulator is to put two wires behind the spine and block the pain from reaching the brain. You'll have a small battery generator that will last years, and it will help you get this pain under control. And the last one, which is not as common, is the fracture or compression fracture of the spine. When you have it, it will happen sudden, and you experience a pain that you never had before. This compression fracture is one of the most painful pain that people can experience. That can be treated by inserting balloon into the compression fracture, the broken spine, to inflate that balloon to reach a normal height and put cement in it and heal that fracture from inside. That fracture can heal in 10 minutes and the patient can resume to walk, resume activity of daily living, and cured from that pain.
I fell on my back just as flat as I could fall. I found out I had 3 compression fractures in my back. After I fell, I came out to Dr. Bell and he put cement on each of my fractures. He gave me good back treatments that have just continued to help. In fact, it helped the day that he gave them to me.
Our main goal is to help you feel better and help to restore your function.